Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode. So in today's video we are going to do our Photoshop tutorial. So it's a really simple thing. If you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. We are going to put an image in the text. Like we can put an image through the text. So that's today's tutorial. So without any more talking, let's get into the video. So I've opened Photoshop right here. What I've done is, I have a background image here, which is an image in Japan, and then next I've added a color fill, like a solid color from here, and then made the opacity down about 28. It's not necessary, but it gives a permanent static really beautiful look here. So next I have this rectangle, just a white rectangle with the corners shaped, and also it's to the size of the text, which is called Japan. So the font this is like a custom font which I'm using here. So let's see how to set the go through text effect with Photoshop. So first things first, I know that some of you people might know this. What you do is you just select the text, then press the layer mask option, but it does not work it doesn't work for some images, so we are going to do something where you can just change the text and many other stuff, like you can resize it, you can change the position. What you can do is you can just change the font and pretty much stuff. You can customize the font and the image. That's what you can do with the method which we are going to use here. So what you should do is just a simple thing. Double click on the text layer, like about the side. So after you double click on that, you get this layer style window. From here, under blending styles, you have this thing called advanced blending, which is called knockout. So here in the knockout, you have a drop down with about three options. I think you didn't know about it before. Comment down below whether you knew it before. So click the drop down menu, then click shallow. After you click shallow, this fill opacity should be dragged down, just like this. So let's put it until over here. So I've added this image like this, like I've taken this, then added it to here like as a separate background. Then when I do it like that, it's coming as a separate background. So other than that, you can just add it like this, then put it down, then you can delete this, and still you can't get it. You know why? The problem is that you need to take this Japan text, then also this rectangle to one group. For that, press this Japan text, and then while pressing the Control key, press the other rectangle layer. Now press Control and G or Command and G in Mac, Control and G in Windows. After that, there is a group created here, and now you can see it's slightly applied. So the filter is also applied to the text, you see. Now you can see either you can remove the filter or you can do anything. Alright guys, so I hope this video was interesting. If it was, subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to comment about the future ideas of Photoshop. This is a really easy, simple and a short tutorial. Let's make a funny one. Peace.